His eyes let go when he told me goodbye. I stood on the porch without batting an eye. He said, if you would just ask me, I'd gladly stay. I turned without a word and I walked away. There were lovers before that I thought I could trust. Time after time I watched it all turn to dust. I'm no fool of a woman, I felt love's cruel burn, so I let him go before he got his turn. Rain down on my soul with these tears that I've cried. It won't show on my face, I'll just keep them inside. Rain down on my soul till it washes away. If I don't have a heart, I won't feel any pain. Last night I dreamed of a moss-covered grave. No one cried at its side, no grand speeches were made. The epitaph read, this one's heart's made of stone. She could have had love, chose to lie here alone. I woke and looked around at this dark empty space. A rebel tear broke and rolled down my sad face. I picked up the phone, my hand started to shake, but the sound of your voice made the earth itself quake. Rain down on my soul with these tears that I've cried. They won't show on my face, I'll just keep them inside. Rain down on my soul till it washes away. If I don't have a heart, I won't feel any pain. In a silent plea for some strength from above, I said, what good is my pride if I don't